Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about checking the edit history in Google Docs. So if you want to see who's been modifying your Google Doc or restore back to an earlier draft, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top, and you want to select where it says Version History. Select See Version History, and then at this point you can see day by day what the version history here is. And if you click the little arrow next to it, you can see a more expanded version day by day. If you want to revert back to any of these versions, you just would select it from the list here and then select Restore this version. Please keep in mind that it's going to overwrite anything that's happened since, so go ahead and select Restore, and then that should be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.